That's right, baby. I got another, let's call it quickie. Another quickie of clothing items, guys. Of course, I'm bringing the hat. The main event on this one is actually the hat. It has a little bit of a hype. And in my case, I really love the show Stranger Things. And let's just say that certain people are asking a lot of money for this hat. We'll get into it immediately, guys. Roll my intro and let's get to it. What's going on, YouTube fam? Hopefully you find yourself in health, wealth, prosperity, and all great things, guys. I'm not saying that only the hat is the one that counts here, guys. The two other little items you guys might be interested in, and even though in certain areas they're very overpriced, you could probably be able to find them at a better price. But people are always asking me about Mitchell and Ness and the Cactus Jack line and stuff like that, guys. Even though I think I have reviewed it before, I don't remember. But I am going to do it off the rip right here. Off the rip, I'm going to do it. You know what? I have the other shirt over there because the other one is the Shoe Palace and WWE collaboration for the wrestling fans, guys. Let's get into it immediately. And what is it? Let's check this out, guys. Packaging, no big deal. Just a little sticker there, large. It is what it is. Chipilingi, ya sabe. Let's take this out of here, guys. You're a bit. Ooh, and of course, yes, very good quality, guys. And this is the Miami Hurricanes and Travis Scott, Mitchell and Ness collaboration. This, guys, is actually my third t-shirt of the whole collaboration when it comes to the college and Travis and Mitchell and Ness. And I'm telling you guys, soon it's going to be a whole plethora. It's going to be a whole sentence with the collaboration. People are just keep adding in there. They just keep adding collaborators into one piece right there. This is the third piece. The first one I have is the white tee. I have the other brown tee. This is brown also. And it has the sewn on, the old school UM. You guys, I'll show it to you right there. And now I got this one right here. Yes, guys, this is the subtle one. This is the less look at me type of thing. You know what I'm saying? And I got this one more to rock it with the dark mochas, the Jumpman Jack dark mochas. Let's take a look at it real quick, guys. As you guys can see it right there, right in the front. Very nice, you know, very good quality, guys. This is 200 plus GSM. This is probably like a, if I had to guess, maybe a 210. Yeah, 210, you know, guys, I have my little bit of experience with a heavyweight cotton. So I'd say probably 200, 210, you know, give or take. And very subtle in the background, in the black, you see the logo. You see the Miami UM logo right there, like it was inside of the Cactus Jack little head there. And very nice, guys, very subtle. And right on the right rib cage, it has sewn on. It's sewn on, guys. SS Cactus Jack. Very nice. I like that very much. And all the way in the left side, it says Utopia, Texas, since 1991. Cactus Jack, Mitchell and Ness, Philadelphia, the whole shebang, guys. And that patch is sewn on. In the back of the shirt, there's absolutely nothing, guys, whatsoever. And the actual tag is tagless, if I have to put it in one way. It is tagless for extra comfort. Something like the Hanes and Primoskickz and Supreme collaboration. KP, big shout out. I've always said it, guys. This is the KP section, baby. You guys can see it right there. Mitchell and Ness with the three little Jumpman Jacks, little stripes right there. The Cactus Jack ones, you know, Cactus Jack in the middle, large. Very nice, guys. Very nice. I like it. And like I said, guys, very subtle, very nice. And you guys will see the sizing right there. It's not an oversized fit whatsoever, guys. It's a regular fit shirt. If you guys like the normal fitting, go true to size. If not, go a size up on the t-shirt if you like more of the oversized look. I am a large and I weigh 175 pounds. So technically, guys, This shirt runs, if you could see it, not really true to size. It's more like you know, I don't know. I don't even know how to put it, guys. It's just a regular fitting shirt, guys. It's just regular fitting, guys. But there you guys have it. Next! Yes, the Shoe Palace and WWE collaboration. I wanted this shirt for a while. The other ones, I'm still in a big debate with it. But I've been wanting this shirt for a minute. And I know that this one is very good quality because I have a few Shoe Palace WWE collaboration tees already. And this one right here, guys, is the NWO, guys. Yes, the NWO. You see Hollywood Hulk Hogan. That personally is the only time that I think he was cool at any moment. You see X-Pac, you see Kevin Nash, and the man, the legend, Razor Ramon. He's always going to be called Razor Ramon to me. Scott Hall right there. New World Order. Very nicely printed, guys. Nothing crazy or nothing, you know, out of this world. The tag, it is not tagless for the extra comfort on the Hanes. No, guys. No extra comfort on this one. This one, you got to take it WWE style. Yes. And you see the WWE with Shoe Palace collaboration. Yes, as you guys can see right there. Size large. And it comes with a hang tag. Real thick, solid cardboard. Very nice right there with a star. And it says official licensed product. And the QR codes, the whole shebang. And this retails for $29.99. And in the back of the actual shirt, you see the WCW title belt with the spray paint NWO. And the spray paint on the actual belt is like a glossy, while the belt is like a matte print, guys. Very nice. And this beautiful detail that I love very much about this shirt, all the way on the right side, if you want to say the butt cheek. Yes, because you know it is going to end in the butt cheek. Check it out. It has the WWE logo embroidered into it. That little unique taste right there. That tastes like this thing is a cherry or some shit. I'm talking about that unique little touch right there, if you want to put it like that. That's unique right there, guys. Those are the little details. You know me and the details. Those are the details that I like, guys. Yes, very happy with them right there. Size large, 175 pounds. Very nice. No, guys, I am 175 pounds now without having to drink the 3 gallons of water. Yes, guys, you know what I'm saying? I'm getting some weight. Because you know how people are in this world, bro. You got to eat a little bit more, bro. Well, you got to eat a little bit more. When I was like at 162 pounds, everybody said, bro, you're way too skinny, bro. You gotta gain some weight, bro. And then if you go and you reach 220, 230, they're going to be like, yo, bro, you're fat. You're fat. You know what I'm saying? They're never satisfied. It's just the way life works, guys. Hey, what are you going to do about it? But there it is, guys. Next! And the main event, ladies and gentlemen. But this requires a little thing. Yes, the Massive Cleaver. Massive Cleaver, the ultimate protection. If you guys want it, it's not up for sale. Not gonna happen. This is the ultimate protection, guys. Check it out, bro. You guys ready for this? I am very intrigued to see this hat, this collaboration with Netflix and New Era. They have other hats. I'll post one right there, guys, so you can see it. I have that hat as well. And why is it that this is something that I want big time? For the simple fact that my favorite show of all times, at least horror-wise, maybe even all times, period, is Stranger Things. Even though it's gotten a little weird and awkward towards the end, Netflix, you know, they always gotta awkward everything up. But it is what it is, guys. At least the first 3 seasons, it was the most amazing thing that I've ever seen in my entire life. It reminded me of my childhood. It is what it is, you know, and going into haunted mansions, just the difference is that this one is more like a Demogorgon, and in my case, I used to get arrested. Yes. But it's a childhood, bro, riding around in the BMX and stuff like that. Netflix, please, on the last season right now, I know it's the last season, that's why you guys did this collaboration. Please, I'm just hoping you don't mess it up. Please don't mess it up, bro. You know what I'm saying? Take it easy. Take it easy, or the massive cleaver is gonna have to come out of this joint. All right, let's get to it. Let's do this. Pickety. Pickety. Pick. I call you. Yes, straight from New Era, guys. Ahí mismo. Total weight 3 pounds. This doesn't weigh no 3 pounds, bro. Damn, 3 pounds. Jeez. Okay. Oh, and yes, I forgot that I did get one more little thing there. I totally forgot about it. Okay, let me see. It's in here somewhere. I got one more little thing for it, guys. I forgot. Oh, yes. I'll show you what I got now in a little bit, but I gotta get to this right here, guys. This is dope, bro. I gotta see this. Here we go. Vamos a ver. ¿Qué es esto? Oh, yes, very nice. Jesus, bro. The lids, man. They're not taking care of the lids at all. Look at this thing, dude. Anyways, guys, look, check it out right there. I'm gonna show you the imagery. Stranger Things all the way through. What I love about it is that all the sewing actually has like the little bit of gloss, like it had gloss, you know, like it was slimy. That's what I love the most about it. Stranger Things is just regular sewn on. It's just regular, but all the vines, like it was the upside down, all has like a glossy look to it. Very beautiful. And it goes all across the hat, guys. Everywhere across the hat. That is badass. And it goes into the lid. Look at that, guys. It's beautiful. The bottom of the lid is in black. But here's the best part of it all. And this is what I wanted to see. Yes, guys. You see the mind flare right in the temple area. Like at the top of the forehead. Inside of the hat. Boy, that is bad. Those are the type of things that I like right there. That right there, that is dope. Check it out, guys. Look at that. Very nice. Very, very nice. And it's actually like a cotton. You know, I'm going to try to move it around for you guys right there so you can see it. I know that sounded a little weird, but it don't matter. Just go with it like I always say. The tags, guys, says Netflix, Stranger Things for the collaboration, New Era. And yes, guys, 7.5. Yes, guys, the main eventer. And this is something, and if you guys are fans of Stranger Things or just a blacked out hat, very unique, very nice, you got to get it, guys. These things are, I don't know what's the reason that on eBay, they're actually going for over $100. I've seen like 2 or 3 over $100, guys. So get your hands on these as soon as possible. You know that people are going to go and they're raving for these. That's what people want. Blacked out Stranger Things, the detailing on the gloss, just the glossy on the actual vines and everything, bro. Very, very nice, beautifully detailed. I love it. And last but not least, just to get to the point, this is what I got, guys. Big ass bag. Bet I got the New Era pin, guys, for the hat. New Era pin in gold, because I love gold. Very nice, guys. Very nice. Even though, guys, I'm not even going to lie, I think I'm off the whole bling blineo type of thing. You know what I'm saying? And all that fronteo. And that's what we call it in Spanish. So the more time passes, the less I really care about the whole blinged out thing. And, you know, you just get older, guys, and you start seeing it. And you're like, all right, let's get off the crap already, bro. Like, you know, that era is long gone. You know what I'm saying? I have friends already that have actually stopped it completely and be like, yo, dude, you know what I'm saying, dog? We're in a different level already, dude. We're not in the all blinged out thing. You know what I'm saying? So we keep it more subtle and make it count where it really has to count. You know what I'm saying, guys? But I still love my pins. I still love the color of gold. It is what it is. But, you know, just little thing between us guys over here, you know what I'm saying, with the fam. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much it. I love you all, guys, and I'm always wishing you the best. Stay tuned. Remember, guys, even the grandmothers on the wheelchairs get reviewed on this channel. I was thinking twice to see if I said that again. Don't matter, baby. Hey, the granddad's on the wheelchairs too, baby. Let's do this shit. Peace. El cohete. El cohete on the wheelchair. I'm rocking on the wheelchair.